Hey friends, quick little video today. I want to address the concept of high nailing. So if you're not familiar with what a high nail is, that's basically on your installers to properly hit the nail line on the shingles. And obviously if it's missed, it could either be face nailed, which means it's too low. So in that scenario, there's your nail line. They should be able to drive nails in right there and be good. If they face nail, it's going to be actually on the face of the shingle. If they high nail, they're going to go somewhere up in this range. So why is that so important? So I want to show you kind of how this lays out, and I'm just in my driveway right now, so I'm not even going to do this on a roof because I want to show you the side by side. And so if we take a look at the middle row, what you're going to notice is one, it's going to be laying on top. It's going to seal down to the sealant. That's connection one. Connection two for this row is going to be the nail strip itself. Connection three to your roof, when this goes over and you get the third row on there, you're going to punch through your 4 nails on an Atlas Pinnacle shingle like this. And it's going to be, if you line that up, it's going to be going through the very top. So if you look at this middle shingle here, where is it connected? It's connected down here with sealant, it's connected here with nails, and it's connected up here with the nails going into the next shingle. If you take a look at that compared to the shingles we just took off our most recent repair, which will become a replacement in the near future as soon as we're able. It's a 13-year-old shingle. Shingle themselves, like I said, I don't think the builder that did that really did them a lot of favors with the quality of the shingle, but same concept, right? Should be. So I'm going to go with the middle row here. Sealant underneath. You're going to have your nail strip where it should be, but where it's not. And then you're going to have the next row going over, sealing it at the very top, where your third line would be. Problem is, if you look at that, you can see they high nailed. So what they did is they went above the actual nail line. If they would have hit right here, they'd be in that shingle. They went right here. If you look into that, what you see under that is driveway. That's not good. That means instead of having, well, they did a 4-nail application, just like Atlas would require, so they would have had a lower wind warranty on the shingle probably. But you're looking at 4 nails in the shingle itself, 4 nails in the next one, and then the sealant line. So that's 3 levels of protection and connection to the roof. So in this scenario, they're getting the sealant line, the 4 nails in that shingle, and that's it. So a good wind, as it starts to move maybe the shingle above, you're looking at wind issues, you're looking at potential issues with the leaks, water penetration, all the different issues. So obviously your warranty, if you install it properly, you've got a good wind warranty, you've got a good product, it's going to hold up for decades. This roof we took off probably 2 square of blow-offs, which is about 10% of that roof was coming off in year 13. So that's a significant failure. That's one you would not want to repair. And seeing the workmanship that was done, obviously there's no reason to repair that because the entire roof is going to have the same issues. There's probably 5 or 6 other severe installation issues, but that's what high nailing is. So that takes you from a quality 2 rows of nails plus your sealant down to sealant and 4 nails, and you're done. And after that, it's just prayers holding it on. So hopefully that helps to understand when someone says, I saw some high nails. Does it void the warranty? Yes. Does it make you more susceptible to anything from leaks to blow-offs to multiple issues down the road, of course. Your shingles will most likely tear easier too because they've got less holding them down. So lots of problems, lots of issues to be had with that. So if you are in our local service area and we can be of help, please feel free to reach out, happyhomeroofs.com, or you can call or text us, 717-798-8200. If you're outside of our service area and have questions, please feel free to reach out. We'd love to help you. See you next time.